Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Saturn V model is probably one of the most iconic and historically significant model rockets you can build and display, offering a detailed and engaging look into the Apollo missions and the incredible engineering feat that was the Saturn V. This detailed model kit allows you to appreciate the sheer size and complexity of the real rocket, bringing a piece of space history into your home or classroom, perfect for enthusiasts, educators, and collectors alike. Today, we'll be taking a close look at what makes a great Saturn V model kit, exploring the features to look for, and ultimately helping you pick the perfect one for your needs and budget. Number 5. Revell Apollo Saturn V. Get ready for an incredible journey into space exploration with this detailed model kit. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced model builders. With 82 precisely crafted parts, you'll meticulously construct this iconic rocket. Each piece contributes to the impressive final result. Examine the highly detailed service module, complete with thrusters and control nozzles. It's a testament to engineering marvel. This model is scaled at 1/144, offering a manageable size for construction and display. It's the ideal scale for enthusiasts. Revell's commitment to quality ensures a rewarding building experience. It's a model you'll be proud to display. Begin your space adventure today. This kit provides hours of engaging and rewarding construction. What we like. It has many small parts, allowing for highly detailed construction. If you are an experienced model builder seeking a challenging project with a great level of detail, this is the kit for you. This model is perfect for those who love intricate builds and want a historically accurate representation. What people say. The detail molded into the model renders masking tape less helpful than on most models I have built. The detail level is amazing. What impressed and pleased me most was Revell's customer service. As we worked on the model, we misplaced one piece and damaged another. I called a number for Revell North America, spoke to a person, and was instructed to complete a form to order replacement parts. I found the form, completed it, and received a notice that the parts would be shipped within 6 weeks. Much to my surprise, within days, we received a box from Germany with the replacement parts at no cost to us. Number 4. Estes Saturn V. Get ready for liftoff with the impressive Estes Saturn V rocket. It's a 1:200 scale replica, almost ready to assemble and launch. This amazing kit comes with everything you need, except the engines, to recreate a piece of history. It even includes a display stand to show off your accomplishment. Don't worry if you're new to model rockets, it's designed for beginners. The pre-colored parts make assembly a breeze. For optimal performance, we recommend using either a C5-3 or a C6-3 engine. These will give you the best flight experience. Prepare for an incredible flight. It's estimated to reach altitudes of up to 200 feet with a C6-3 engine. Get ready for launch. You can have it assembled and ready to launch in about 10 minutes. It's that easy to build and enjoy. What we like. It boasts a quick and simple assembly process. If you're looking for a fun, beginner-friendly rocket that you can assemble and launch quickly, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want a fast and satisfying building experience, perfect for a family activity. What people say. This is an impressive model rocket in size and detail. It's pre-assembled and beautiful. It flew exactly as expected the first time. Number 3. AMT Saturn V Kit. It's a detailed replica, ready to assemble. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. This meticulously crafted kit captures the Saturn V's grandeur in stunning detail. Prepare for an exciting build. Clear instructions make assembly a breeze, even for beginners. Follow the pictures and watch it come to life. It's your chance to personalize it. Get ready to paint, glue, and bring your vision to reality. Remember, you'll need paints, glue, and some basic modeling tools to complete this incredible project. It's worth it. Once complete, it will be a magnificent centerpiece. Display it proudly and share your accomplishment. What we like. This kit offers a highly accurate and detailed representation. If you appreciate accuracy and are willing to invest time in painting and assembly, it will be worth it. This is perfect for model enthusiasts who want a challenging project that results in a highly realistic model. What people say. Model was easy to assemble, detailed and accurate Saturn V model. Very nicely made, good quality. 1/200 scale model of the Saturn V rocket that took men to the moon and back. Configuration is accurate for the facility's checkout vehicle AS-500F and the unmanned Apollo 4 and 6, AS-501 and 502. Number 2. Famemaster Saturn V. Get ready for a closer look at the mighty Saturn V rocket. It's incredibly detailed and easy to assemble. This model snaps together easily, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced modelers. No glue required. With its transparent parts, you can explore the intricate inner workings of the rocket. It's fascinating. It boasts a highly detailed finish, capturing the true essence of the Saturn V. Every part is meticulously crafted. This is a 1:100 scale model, making it the perfect size for display. It's impressive and highly accurate. It comes with a display stand, so you can proudly showcase your Saturn V model. It's a stunning addition to any collection. What we like. It features transparent parts for a unique look at the inner workings. If you like unique features and want a model that's easy to assemble, this is it. It's perfect for those who want a detailed model without the complexity of a traditional kit. What people say. I was looking for a large Saturn V display model for my office, and at a scale of 1:143.5 inches tall, this 4D Vision kit is among the largest production pieces available. Assembling this kit gave me such an appreciation for the internal structure of the Saturn V that ended up being how I decided to display it. I tell you that you will not get the same feel for the structure of the Saturn V from any parts diagram, no matter how well drawn. The model comes pre-painted, and while I can see a few details that could use sprucing up, I'm happy with the paint job out of the box. I love the detail of the rocket interiors, and I especially love being able to separate the rocket stages and take out the lander. This is a great learning tool for showing exactly how the Saturn V made it to the moon and back. This model from the sheer size of its box blew my mind. After opening up and inspecting the pieces, the quality is second to none. The pieces fit perfectly into one another. The colors are bright and just have a nice detail to them. Number 1. CubicFun Apollo Saturn V. Celebrate the historic Apollo missions by building this detailed 32-inch tall model of the Saturn V rocket. It's a challenging and rewarding project for space enthusiasts of all ages. This 3D model is packed with authentic details, including removable rocket stages and a lunar lander. It makes a great centerpiece for your home or office. It's a must-have for anyone passionate about space exploration and NASA's history. It's perfect for learning about space travel or enhancing your cognitive skills. Made from safe, green paper foam board, it's lighter than plastic and easier to handle. The detailed instructions make assembly straightforward, even for beginners. It's more than just a model, it's a tribute to the spirit of exploration and innovation. This makes it a thoughtful gift for any space enthusiast or a rewarding project for yourself. What we like. It offers a unique 3D puzzle building experience resulting in a large model. If you are looking for a fun and engaging project that's safe and easy to assemble, this is a great option. It's perfect for families or individuals who enjoy puzzles and want a visually impressive model. What people say. The model finishes out very well, all the pieces popped out of the pages very well and the fit is very good. Loved the ease of assembly and the detailed instructions. So the direction were very easy, follow step by step and leave small room for error. Make sure you bend each piece and poke the holes before assembling and only do one step at a time, that is most important. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.